Hi all, Cher Sheldon here. I'm about to go into a magnificent home in Monarch Beach. This is 21 Ritz Cove Drive in Dana Point. So come along with me and I'll show you this magnificent home overlooking the ocean. And also, by the way, it's $20,999,000. Although you will find other homes of this size, and this house, by the way, is 9,255 square feet, what you won't find is this neighborhood and this location. It's absolutely spectacular. Ritz Cove, overlooking the Ritz Carlton, the Pacific Ocean, and magnificent views from almost every room. This oceanfront estate was built in 1990. It has a 16,400 square foot lot, and the lot itself in width is 1.5 times what the normal lots are given on an oceanfront estate. It has a 6-car garage and, of course, the Ritz Carlton world-class resort next door. It's in a guard-gated community. And if you notice, this is really special. It has no homes in front. So many of the homes that you see in these beautiful communities are not oceanfront. There's a couple of homes in front of them. So you can walk straight down to the beach, even though it's gated. Someone else cannot walk up from the beach onto your property. It's on a cul-de-sac, and my goodness, this is the rarest oceanfront paradise that you will ever find. Naturally, this master bedroom has a fireplace and a sitting room, and you can exit onto the balcony. Absolutely magnificent views from the second-story master bedroom. I just love this home because it doesn't sit right on the sand, and yet you have a full-on ocean view with white water and sand. And just beneath there is a walkway that you can take when you go down to the Salt Creek Beach and the Ritz Carlton. So I'm sure you would expect an estate of this caliber to have its own private guest quarters with its own staircase, and of course this does. It has its own kitchen, balcony, bathroom, bedroom, and sitting room. This is another magnificent ensuite oceanfront with a balcony, bathroom, closet, and magnificent views. And although this is a magnificent staircase and not too steep, there is also an elevator to take you to all 3 floors. And by the way, downstairs, the bottom floor is a billiard room, could be a movie theater, could be anything you want. Thank you so much for coming on this tour with me. Again, this is a beautiful home, $18,900,000 on Salt Creek Beach on Ritz Cove in Dana Point, California. I am Cher Sheldon with Realty One Group West, and here's my contact info if you'd like to see this or any other home. I cover all of Orange County, and I'd love to help you find your dream home. See you soon. Oh, and please subscribe. More videos are coming. Thank you. Bye.